After clicking Install, you'll land on the App Settings page. Here, enter your Freshdesk domain and API key. Click Verify to securely authenticate your credentials. Next, tick the checkbox if you want to add a tag to the ticket upon scheduled reply. That's it. The app is now successfully configured. Let's navigate to a ticket in your help desk. In the sidebar, you'll see the Schedule Replies Pro app loaded and ready. Click on Create Schedule to open the scheduling pop-up. Simply pick a future date and time. Add comma-separated emails to be attached as CC if required. Type out the reply content. You can use our extensive formatting options and click on Create. We have now successfully scheduled a reply. You'll now see the scheduled reply details displayed with an option to cancel it right here in the sidebar. Click on the app icon in the left panel to open the dashboard. Here, you can view and manage all scheduled replies. The reply we just scheduled is listed with all details and a cancel option. Filter the list by status, whether it's upcoming or completed. You can also search by ticket ID to quickly locate a schedule. Prefer searching by subject? That's available too. Let's return to the ticket for which we scheduled a reply earlier. As you can see, a scheduled reply sent tag has been added automatically to the ticket. A reply has been posted at the scheduled time, which will instantly trigger an email to the customer. Back in the dashboard, you'll see that the schedule status has now been updated to completed. Thanks for watching. Start streamlining your ticket workflows with Schedule Replies Pro.